Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in. I'm Coach Jeronica, and I am coming to you today with some AI hacks that are game changers for entrepreneurs, teachers, whoever is making content and they want to save time, energy. Man, ChatGPT and Canva are my new best friends, and I want to show you how to use them. All right, so let's get right on into it. GPT is like having your own personal assistant. Man, and it saves you all this money and time. For me, it's even my cheerleader. It can be your relationship coach, whatever you want it to be. Um, I will say you have to train it. You can't just come in here and say, "Hey, what is this?" or "How do I do this?" or "Do this for me," and it's not going to be tailored to you unless you do the proper steps to train it. It's just like in any relationship, you have to build on it. You can't just jump on right on in. You got to get to know each other. All right. So let's get going. Um, when you sign up, you can do the free version. I do the paid version. It's $20 a month. It's totally worth it, y'all. I mean, I can't even tell you how much it has done for me. Okay. Um, I came up with this prompt right here because I am a fitness coach. I have my own fitness business. It's called Grit Fitness and Health. All right. So I have trained my Chat GPT to know who I am. All right. So I'm going to paste this. Give me 5 viral social media hooks for a fitness coaching business. Um, and you're going to see within seconds, it's going to give me 5 social media hooks that I can use in my content with my audience. All right. Now, I could ask it for more. I could ask it to go deeper. If I don't like something, I can ask it to tweak it. All right. So I love it. I mean, look at this. Number one says stop scrolling if you want to lose weight without starving yourself. Okay. Somebody's going to read that and they are going to stop and want to watch whatever I'm putting out. Okay. It saves me time. Could I think of these things myself? Yes. But in our society, I just don't have time to sit here and think of every single thing. Okay. So, Chat GPT is a time saver and a lifesaver. All right. Look at how it gave me a pro tip. Add a call to action at the end, like DM me fit for a free guide or save this for later to drive more engagement. Okay, it really does help you. I could ask it for captions, tags. It's going to give me whatever I need. I have built that relationship with it to where it knows I'm an emoji girl. So look at these emojis that it gave me. Um, I just love it. And not only can you, I mean, it'll make images for you. It'll do whatever you need it to do. So that's the how I came across Canva. I've already been using Canva because I'm a former teacher, and then I've been doing social media stuff. But this new tool in Canva that I didn't know about before Chat GPT is just a game changer for me. So I don't know about y'all, but I love images when I read. I don't like just looking at words. So I like creating images. So I asked it to give me a prompt that I can use in Canva to create, a certain image. So here is the prompt that it gave me to use in Canva. And so we're going to go to Canva now. All right. For those of you who don't have a Canva account, Canva, man, is a lifesaver as well. It can create all kinds of things for you. Look at these images. But when you create your account, you're going to come to the left hand side and you're going to click on Dream Lab, and that's the AI part of Canva. Okay. And this is what it looks like. What will you imagine today? I want it to create a futuristic digital image showcasing ChatGPT and Canva as powerful content creation tools. Include a glowing AI inspired workspace, a laptop screen displaying ChatGPT, and creative design elements representing Canva. Now, could I have written this prompt myself? Yes. But it would take me forever to make it sound that good, to really make the prompt good enough to where it'll make the image that I want. Okay, ChatGPT came in and saved the day and gave me this prompt. All right, and so now I'm going to press create, and Canva is going to give me 4 different images that I could possibly use. Now, AI is not perfect. All right, it's not perfect at all, but OMG, it's just still a blessing. Okay, so you're going to look at these and see if they are, what you want. They're not that bad, but they're not that good. Normally, I guess my prompt is just too simple. I tried to do a simple one because on here it was just too much. But you know what? We're going to go ahead and use this one because it is the best compared to all of these, in my opinion. So when you do choose the image that you want, then you can choose to download it with this arrow right here to your computer or whatever device you want to download it to. And then, but I'm choosing to edit it because it's not perfect. Okay, it's not the way I want it. You don't have to settle for the first thing that AI gives you. All right, you can fix it. So Canva has these amazing editing tools. So you want to make sure that you have your picture highlighted, and you know it's highlighted by this purple rim. You're going to click on edit because I see things that I don't like and that I want to change. Okay. The Magic Studio has background remover, magic eraser, magic grab. Okay. It even has grab text, which is what I want to do right now because I see some things are not very clear. They're not that good either, and some things are misspelled. So it highlights the text for you. You don't have to fix every single thing, but for the sake of time, I'm just going to show you. All these are highlighted. If you click on all of these, it's going to grab all of them, okay? But what I've figured out is if I want to actually edit the words, then I only need to click on one at a time. Okay, so I'm going to click on ChatGPT because it's not that great to me. And you see how it's still highlighted chat, and it's misspelled. It says ChatOPT. Okay, so I'm going to click on it, and it's going to let me edit it and change the font if I want to, change the size. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. Canva has all these fonts that are amazing. I'm going to choose that one, and I'm going to choose size 16, and then I'm going to fix it. I'm gonna do all caps. Okay. And you can also change the color because gray is not all that to me. So let's see what it, oh, it didn't change it. Come on. There we go. Boom. Okay. Look how simple that was. If you want to, I'm just trying to show you different things you can do in the edit. Let's say you want to grab an object. That's when you use magic grab. I'm just going to show you what it does. I can click on this right here. Maybe I don't like that. And I can grab it. And if you want to erase it and like make it disappear, you just press the trash can. And boom. Come on, y'all. Canva is amazing. AI is amazing. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. So, I hope this helps you. If you want me to do a full tutorial on ChatGPT or Canva or like any AI tools that you can think of, let me know. Put a fire symbol down in the comments and let me know what you want. If you want me to do a tutorial on it. I do want to show you that I really do edit things in here. I did the cover that you see on this video. Boom. I did it right here in Canva. And I used ChatGPT to come up with this image. So I really do hope this helped. I really love doing this kind of thing. So just let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share it. Somebody might need it, okay? Even if you don't. You are helping me support my family, so I really do appreciate you. And thank you for watching. God bless.